Breast lift tapes are a great choice for modern women. Breasts look youthful and beautiful when they're covered with tapes, and the majority of these tapes are stretchy and waterproof. Additionally, they have an ergonomic design. Breast lift tapes of the highest quality are also compatible with many styles of clothing, as they are great for dresses with straps and bags, as well as sports bras and other outfits too. In this video, we are going to share with you some tips and tricks with some product recommendations for breast lift tapes that will work great if you have large breasts.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Is breast lift tape effective? Having big breasts make it more difficult to go out without a bra. With a simple breast tape that fits all sizes and cups, your figure can be more natural, so you feel confident and comfortable. What to look for before buying? It is important to consider the material when buying breast lift tapes. We suggest you use silicone materials of excellent quality. Choose a pair that is comfortable to wear and remove. Using the tapes should be convenient and easy, as they should deliver a strong bond. What kind of tape to use? If you're using surgical tape, do not use the paper kind because it's normally not the best adhesive and isn't flexible. Also, you can use sports binding tape. Get something that is fairly wide and flexible no matter what you decide, and this will give you a more satisfactory outcome. There are many people who use duct tape, but if you have sensitive skin, you need to avoid ones with strong glue, as that might make it painful to remove. The best way to use breast lift tape. The first step consists of removing the lower half of the backing and applying the tape above the areola. A smooth surface is required for the breast tape. Remove the upper and lower portions of the backing. Place the tape firmly and smoothly on the breast. Hold for 15 seconds to allow the adhesive to warm. Here are some tips for taping your breast. Number 1. You can also use nipple covers to conceal the shape of your nipple. Put something padded under the tape so it won't stick to your nipples, just around them. Number 2. Do not allow the tape to stick to your most sensitive skin areas. Protect these areas with gauze, cotton wool, or fabric under the tape. Number 3. You can easily end up with bulges between the pieces of tape. Make sure that you do not pull too much on your breast when you are putting on a method that has gaps between the strips. Number 4. Having a friend do the taping might be easier than doing it yourself. Here are some recommendations for a better outcome. Frida's breast lift tapes have a safe and secure fit, making them ideal for a variety of needs. Made with cotton and spandex, it is comfortable to wear and remove. Additionally, these tapes are ergonomic and can be used in various situations. As a sticky tape, it won't fall off like some other low-quality options. Its 100% skin-friendly fabric guarantees safety and comfort for all size breasts. You can pair them with jumpsuits, dresses, sports bras, and more. Hollywood Fashion Secrets breast lift tape comes in a complete package that includes 5 disposable breast lift tapes of superior quality. For the utmost safety and comfort, these are made with high-grade silicone materials. You can get this lift tape in A cups up to D cups. These are transparent and invisible. As a result, the tapes can also be worn with a variety of outfits. Furthermore, it is water-resistant. In this way, it can provide a natural and beautiful look. This Sparthos Kinesiology tape is a high-quality breast lift tape designed to provide maximum comfort and speed up recovery. By providing excellent blood circulation, this design reduces inflammation. Additionally, this ultra-thin tape can also be used for other purposes like athletics, exercise, flatten the chest, and so on. And obviously, the tape is also stretchable. As a result, your breast will be supported for a long time. This Cindy's new breast lift tape is a top-notch product suitable to provide professional results. It is made of 100% professional-grade cloth and medical-grade glue. Because of its thin design, it is perfect for your different needs and outfits. This tape is easy to use and water-resistant. Thus, it won't come off easily, so it will be perfect for swimsuits. Using this Hiramex breast lift tape, you can lift your breast instantly. Made with high quality and medical grade silicone cover, it is safe and comfortable for users. In addition, the product has a thin and natural skin look and a total nipple coverage design, so your nips won't show even when you don't wear a bra. So these are the breast lift tape we have chosen for you. Thanks for watching our video. If you like our video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.